Hey guys, today I'm trading with Unicorn Pinky Girly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I'm meant to give her my Miss Goldie set for um I think a VIP code. Yeah, that's what we're trading for. So let's begin. Send the code and you don't send the last number. You send the code and don't send last number. Then I send the gold, but I must start from the low part. So if you scam me, I still keep the main line. So I'm so nervous because I really want that VIP code, and she's offering it. So at times she takes really long to answer. So I think I'ma just press the video until she does. Oh, and please can you check out my last video? I exposed Floral Wishes. She's a scammer. Don't trade with her. Yeah, I'm just worried like that. So I don't think she's online right now because yeah, I know it's weird that someone scam me, but I'm still friends with them on my other account. But what the hell? I just like doing that. So she knows this is me, but I'm surprised why she hasn't even blocked me yet. Oh, she battles cancer. Yes, now I'm possible right now. So wait. Okay. Go first. Yeah, guys, if you're on your server, you can trade it to me. Don't, but I don't accept all trades. I'm sorry, but I just ones that I will see because I don't really have much but I have a lot of resolution. Okay. I'm really gonna get that a code. Okay, scam free. She's just my life, man. Scam free. As I can see, I do not actually think scammers are really stupid because doesn't make sense. I'm so excited. It's really gonna send it. It's really gonna send it. It's really gonna send it. Yeah. What the fuck is? Yeah, I don't even know if I got the arrow correct. What the fuck? Ha! Yeah, was one of those haters to tell me about. Yeah, not gonna terrorize some innocent girl with issues in life. I'm so harsh. So is she gonna tell me to the station? So, oh, by the way, guys, I just got a fabulous idea. And wait, I'm recording. Keep quiet. The 9K 1P 2H 0. Promo code. Let me check if it's legit. Promise not to scam. Trust me. I don't scam. I don't have a scam. So I want to check if the code is legit because this has happened to me a lot of times. Okay, 5FT 5FC7N2JH9K1P2H0. Copy. Is not valid. Oh, God. I'm gonna pause it right now because yeah. So guys, I haven't been there in a long time, so I'm just gonna skip to where it stopped. So she gave me the code. I tried the code. It wasn't working. Now she told me that the code was um that she hadn't given me the last letter or last number. I'm gonna pause it again. I'm gonna update you guys on what's going on. Sorry guys, this video escalated quickly, and I'm sorry, but I can't continue this video. But I was no one can anyone because I think she was about to scam me if I didn't stop her. He come pingy girl in 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I cannot trust her because she is my friend, but you never trust anyone fully on MSP. Plus, she has given me over 25 grades, and she's really nice. And I even gave her a shout out to my last. So please, sorry about this video, guys. I'm still gonna post it though because just because. So bye, guys. And remember, I love all my subscribers. Message me if you have anything to say or any idea what my next video should be. Thank you.